In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restore a deleted campaign in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Campaigns tab. Then, from the Campaigns settings, click and expand the Campaigns option and click on Campaigns from the Campaigns dropdown. Here, you'll find all your campaigns. Now, hover over your removed ad. Then, check the box that appears on the left of your campaign. You'll see a blue tab appear above your campaign. Click on the Edit dropdown, then from the list of options you see, click on Copy to copy the entire campaign. Now, uncheck the box and make sure nothing is selected. After that, you'll see a Paste option appear above your campaign. Click on it to paste your campaign. You can pause the duplicate ad if you want and also adjust the start and end dates as needed. Then click Paste. It'll take several seconds or maybe minutes to finish creating a copy of your campaign. Rename it if needed. Now your campaign will be reactivated and start running again using its previous settings. That's how you restore a deleted campaign in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.